Well, Doyle, here's your 383 small block Chevrolet. Give you a description of this combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got the Edelbrock Vic Junior manifold, quick fuel SS 750 Pro Billet distributor. Got the Holley front end, all blacked out. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Go in there and make a run, show you how it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400 is 432 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 482, peak horsepower 510, so we're ready at 520. It's got a front end that's about 15, so everything's good. Next thing we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other little thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this little thing. It looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of information. It's got your engine build specs, a lot of technical stuff on it, your dyno video, things of that nature. So highly recommend watching it when you first receive your engine. And the other thing will be this tag. Have your engine number on it, valve specs, oil capacity, balance wise, things of that nature. Obviously hold on to this forever. That engine number is kind of the easiest way for us to look up any information you need. So have a great day.